Many people want to start a newsletter and build an online audience, but most beginners don't know where to start, which platform to use, or how newsletters actually make money. This video explains how to start a newsletter step by step using Beehiiv, one of the fastest growing newsletter platforms. Before starting a newsletter, it's important to understand what Beehiiv actually is and why many creators are using it. Beehiiv is a newsletter publishing platform designed to help creators write and send newsletters, grow an email subscriber list, build a newsletter website, monetize their audience. In simple terms, it combines email marketing, blogging, and monetization tools in one platform. This means creators can publish newsletters, grow an audience, and even generate revenue without needing multiple tools. Many traditional email tools were designed mainly for marketing campaigns. Beehiiv, on the other hand, was built specifically for content creators and newsletter businesses. That's why it includes features like built-in newsletter website, subscriber growth tools, referral programs, monetization options. These features make it much easier for beginners to start and grow a newsletter. Why newsletters are growing again. Newsletters have become one of the most powerful ways to build an audience online. Unlike social media platforms, where algorithms control who sees content, email newsletters allow creators to own their audience directly. When someone subscribes to a newsletter, the creator can reach them directly in their inbox. This gives creators more control over their content distribution. Because of this, many creators are now focusing on newsletters as a long-term audience and business strategy. Platforms like Beehiiv make this process much easier for beginners. The first step to starting a newsletter is creating a Beehiiv account. If the goal is to start a newsletter, the easiest way to begin is by creating an account directly on the platform. There is a link in the pinned comment and description that takes you directly to Beehiiv, where you can create your account and start setting up your newsletter. Once the account is created, the next step is setting up the newsletter itself. Step 1. Create your newsletter. After signing up on Beehiiv, the platform will guide you through creating your newsletter. This includes choosing the name of the newsletter description, the newsletter topic or niche. The name is important because it becomes part of the newsletter's brand and identity. Most successful newsletters focus on a specific topic, such as business, finance, technology, marketing, productivity, or personal development. Choosing a clear niche helps attract the right subscribers. Step 2. Customize your newsletter website. One of the advantages of Beehiiv is that it automatically creates a newsletter website. This means every newsletter issue can also be published as a blog-style post on your website. This helps with search engine visibility, discoverability, long-term audience growth. Inside the Beehiiv dashboard, creators can customize the newsletter layout, the colors and branding, the homepage design. This allows the newsletter to look professional without needing coding or website design skills. Step 3. Write your first newsletter. Once the newsletter is set up, the next step is writing the first issue. Beehiiv includes a built-in editor designed specifically for newsletters. This editor allows creators to write content, add images, include links, format sections easily. Most successful newsletters focus on providing value to readers, such as insights, tips, industry news, curated resources. Consistency is important when starting. Many newsletters publish once or twice per week. The goal in the beginning is to build trust with subscribers. Step 4. Grow your subscriber list. After publishing the first newsletter, the next focus should be growing the subscriber list. Beehiiv includes several tools designed to help with this. For example, the platform provides custom sign-up forms, landing pages, referral programs. The referral system allows existing subscribers to invite new readers in exchange for rewards. This can help newsletters grow faster through word-of-mouth promotion. Many successful newsletters grow using a combination of social media promotion, blog content, referral programs, collaborations. Step 5. Monetize your newsletter. One of the biggest reasons creators choose Beehiiv is its built-in monetization options. Beehiiv offers several ways to generate revenue from a newsletter. These include paid subscriptions. Readers can pay for premium content or exclusive newsletters. Ad network. Beehiiv connects newsletters with sponsors looking to advertise in newsletters. Boost program. The Boost feature allows newsletters to earn money by recommending other newsletters. These monetization options make it possible to turn a newsletter into a long-term online business. Final thoughts. Starting a newsletter is one of the most effective ways to build an online audience. With platforms like Beehiiv, the entire process is much simpler than it used to be. Creators can start a newsletter, grow subscribers, publish content, and monetize their audience all from one platform. If the goal is to start a newsletter, the first step is simply creating an account and exploring the dashboard. There is a link in the pinned comment and description that takes you directly to Beehiiv, where you can create your account and start building your newsletter today.